Struggling with a faulty garage door? Look no further than Sunrise Garage Door Repair of Parrish. We're your trusted experts for all things garage door repair in Parrish, Florida. From broken springs to misaligned tracks, our team delivers fast, reliable, and affordable solutions. Serving the entire area, we specialize in garage door repair Parrish with same-day service available. Whether it's a minor fix or a full replacement, you can count on us to get the job done right. Call today or visit us online to schedule your service. For the best in garage door repair near Parrish, trust Sunrise Garage Door Repair, bringing your garage door back to life.